Two smart doorbells, two different strengths. Which one fits your home best? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the Wyze Duo Cam battery doorbell and Arlo 2K video doorbell to see which one offers better smart home security. From video quality to smart features and performance, we'll break down the key differences to help you choose the right one. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. The Wyze Duo Cam features a lightweight plastic body with a resin lens designed for durability and easy outdoor use. The Arlo video doorbell has a more premium polycarbonate body with a metal faceplate, offering a sturdier, higher-end feel. Wyze Duo Cam offers a dual camera system with a 2K front camera and 1080p bottom camera, giving full head-to-toe coverage. The Arlo video doorbell has a single 1536p or 2K HDR camera, focused on upper body detection, with high dynamic range for improved color and detail. Wyze Duo Cam runs on a removable 6,200 mAh lithium-ion battery, or can be hardwired for continuous use, with microSD and cloud storage options. Arlo video doorbells typically require wired power or proprietary battery packs and support cloud storage with local storage depending on the Arlo Smart Plan or base station. The Wyze model includes dual camera monitoring, motion alerts, two-way audio, color night vision, package detection, and motion zones, while the Arlo 2K video doorbell offers person, package, animal, and vehicle detection, smart alerts, night vision, siren support, and integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. The Wyze Duo Cam battery doorbell launched in January 2024 and is typically priced around $90 to $130, depending on bundles and accessories, while the Arlo 2K video doorbell launched in September 2022 and is generally priced around $100 to $180, depending on whether it is the wired or battery model and included security bundles. The Wyze Duo Cam battery doorbell is best for users who want affordable dual camera coverage with strong package monitoring features, while the Arlo 2K video doorbell is ideal for users seeking premium video quality, broader smart home compatibility, and advanced AI-powered security detection features. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.